1. Directions. 4 words have been given and one of those words is correctly spelled. Identify the word with the correct spelling and mark the correct answer. 1. Conscience. Conscience. 2. Conscience. Conscience. 3. Conscience. Conscience. 4. Counscience. Conscience. The correct answer is option 1. Conscience. Conscience. Conscience, noun, a person's moral sense of right and wrong viewed as acting as a guide to one's behavior. Time synonyms, moral sense, ethics, standards. Times antonyms, immorality, unconcern, insensibility. 2. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. To read between the lines. 1. To understand the implied meaning. 2. To completely misunderstand the meaning. 3. To read with great difficulty. 4. To critically analyze a piece of writing. Solution. The correct answer is option 1. To understand the implied meaning. The given idiom to read between the lines means to find meanings that are intended but that are not directly expressed in something said or written. Example, she said she could afford it, but reading between the lines, I don't think she has enough money. Question. 3. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Novice. 1. Expert. 2. Beginner. 3. Adept. 4. Silent. Correct option is option 2. Beginner. Adept means skilled. Question. 4. Choose the antonym of the word. Capricious. 1. Stable. 2. Mutable. 3. Variable. 4. Mercurial. Correct option is option 1. Stable. Capricious means changing suddenly. Mutable means changing over time. Mercurial means subject to sudden change of mind. Question. 5 given here are 4 jumbled sentences. Which is correct order? A. I am in a grand restaurant called Holland Plaza. B. And I am going to go for the glazed crunch salad. C. I ordered this because of its ridiculous name. D. While sipping I am looking at the menu. 1. ADBC. 2. BDAC 3. BDCA 4. CDBA. Correct option is option 1. ADBC. Question. 6. Scarcely had I, A. started reading the paper, B. Then the doorbell rang, C. No error, D. 1. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. Correct option 3. C. Question. 7. Identify the segment contains a grammatical error. I am hopeful that India will win gold in the Olympics. 1. In the Olympics this time. 2. I am hopeful. 3. That India will. 4. Win gold. Correct option is option 1. In the Olympics this time. Question. 8. Identify the underlined part sentence that is not grammatically correct. Hardly had I completed the syllabus then the examination started. 1. Completed. 2. Then. 3. Examination. 4. Started. Correct option is option 2. Question. 9. Change the given sentence from active to passive voice. Close the door. 1. The door should be closed. 2. Let the door be closed. 3. Let us close the door. 4. We should let the close be closed. Correct option is option 2. Let the door be closed. Question. 10. Change the following sentence into reported speech. I said to him, your brother is a brave boy. 1. I told him that his brother was a brave boy. 2. I told him that your brother was a brave boy. 3. I asked him that his brother was a brave boy. 4. I inquired him that his brother was a brave boy. Correct option is option 1. Question 11. Fill in the blanks. We dash 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 the channel yesterday. 1. Crosses. 2. Crossed. 3. Cross. 4. Were crossing. Correct option is option 2. Crossed. Question 12. Choose appropriate conjunctions for the given sentence. You like it. Not, I will come to your house again this evening. 1. Whether, or. 2. Whether, known. 3. After, as. 4. Though, that. Correct option is option 1. Whether, or. Question 13. Directions, fill in the blanks. I like a log if my mother had turned off the air conditioner. 1. Would have slept. 2. Would sleep. 3. Would slept. 4. Would had slept. Correct option is option 1. Question 14. Fill in the blank. He was ashamed. Behaving so badly. 1. To. 2. Of. 3. By. 4. With. Correct option is option 2. Question 15. What would be the verb form of the word acquirement? 1. Acquirely. 2. Acquiringly. 3. Acquiree. 4. Acquire. Correct option is option 4. Acquire. Question 16. A child who stays away from school without leave or explanation. 1. Truant. 2. Cynic. 3. Martinet. 4. Acquiescent. Correct option is option 1. Truant. Question 17. Read the following passage and answer. Bringing up the baby is now a science and fine art. Most of the maternal grandparents would agree with this statement. My mother lost 15 kilos in 6 months when my son was born, and I gained that as much. Both ways it was because of the anxiety and shared responsibility. My female colleagues welcome retirement when their daughter is ready to deliver or had just delivered. They most often befriend young, experienced mothers and spend long counseling sessions with them collecting tips on how to tackle a crisis. It is a funny sight to see grey-haired women browsing bringing up baby books at the local bookstore. One tends to think about what they did with their own offspring. Ask them and Pat comes to the reply, it was so easy then. They grew up on their own. The mother may wear many hats at the same time. But to her or her parents, the mind-boggling thing for the first few years is diaper changes, circadian rhythm, and continual feeding. At home, social life is taboo. Phone calls give the cause for irritation, music becomes noise, friends and relatives become total strangers, the domestic help a spirit of mercy and the pediatrician a fairy godmother. Raising a kid is akin to guerrilla warfare, and if you hear a woman say that her baby is beautiful and perfect and an angel all the time, then she is the grandma. Question 17. What is the main topic discussed in the passage? 1. Raising a child cannot be both a science and an art. 2. The challenges and responsibilities of raising a baby. 3. Parents can provide their children with the best possible start in life. 4. To be creative and intuitive in problem solving and finding solutions to difficult situations. Correct option is option 2. Q. 18. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Continual. 1. Irregular. 2. Uninterrupted. 3. Occasional. 4. Unsteady. Correct option is option 1. Q. 19. How do maternal grandparents often handle the challenges of raising a baby? 1. Maternal grandparents hardly provide emotional support for the parents. 2. By adjusting to a new routine and schedule. 3. By befriending young, experienced mothers and spending long counseling sessions. 4. By balancing their own needs and desires with those of their grandchildren. Correct option is option 3. Question 20. What does the author say about a woman who always says that her baby is beautiful, perfect, and an angel? 1. A woman always says that her baby is beautiful, perfect, and an angel, and then she is the mother. 2. A woman always says that her baby is beautiful, perfect, and an angel, and then she is the daughter. 3. A woman always says that her baby is beautiful, perfect, and an angel, and then she is the granddaughter. 4. A woman always says that her baby is beautiful, perfect, and an angel, and then she is the grandma. Correct option is option 2.